everyone, this is Harshit here, and in today's video we're going to discuss about a trick regarding differentiation which will help you to solve the problem faster. So without wasting the time, let's jump into the question. The question is as follows. Suppose y is equal to cos x to the power of x plus sin x to the power of tan x. ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಈ ತರ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. ಯೂಶಲಿ ಈ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ನೋಡಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ನೆನಪಾಗೋದು ಥಿಯರಿ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಇತ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಫ್ಯೂ ಬೋರ್ಡ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ವಲ್ಲ ಆ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದನ್ನ ಯು ಅಂತ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಇದನ್ನ ವಿ ಅಂತ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡಿ ವಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಟು ಸಾಲ್ವ್. ಯು ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ದಿಸ್ ಥಿಂಗ್, ವಿ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ದಿಸ್ ಥಿಂಗ್, ಟೇಕಿಂಗ್ ಲಾಗ್ ಆನ್ ಬೋತ್ ಸೈಡ್ಸ್, ದೆನ್ ಲೇಟರ್ ಆನ್ ಆಡಿಂಗ್ y is equal to u plus v, ಈ ತರ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ವಿ. ಬಟ್ ಇನ್ ಕಾಂಪಿಟೇಟಿವ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮಿನೇಷನ್ ದಟ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ಸ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಟೂ ಲೆಂಥಿಯರ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ವಿತ್ ನೋ ಟೈಮ್ ಟು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ದ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ವಿತ್ ದೋಸ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ಸ್. So without wasting time, let's jump into the formula. That is y is equal to m power n ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರು ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. y ಯಾಕೆ ಈ m power n ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಪವರ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್, ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಪವರ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್, ಈ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಇರೋದು. y is equal to m power n ಫಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಶಿಯೇಟ್ ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾಗ y dash will be equal to m power n. Copy down the same thing initially, brackets open, n divided by m, that is power divided by base into differentiation of the base, power divided by base into differentiation of the base plus differentiation of the power into log of base. You understood? Y dash is equal to, copy down the same thing, m power n plus power divided by base into differentiation of the base plus differentiation of the power into log of base, log m. So this is a simple formula you need to learn. Apply this formula to this question. Initially the y dash will be equal to, initially consider this term cos x power x as m power n. By formula write down the same thing, cos x power x of n divided by m, that is power divided by base, x by cos x into m dash in the sense differentiation of the base, that is cos x is minus sin x, differentiation of cos x is minus sin x, plus differentiation of power, differentiation of x is 1 into log of base, here base is cos x, so log of cos x. This is for first term. For second term, follow the same procedure. So copy down the same thing initially, sin x to the power of tan x, brackets open, then power divided by base, tan x by sin x into differentiation of base, that is sin x differentiation is cos x, plus differentiation of the power, that is tan x differentiation is secant square x into log of base, that is log of sin x. This is the simple formula you need to learn so that you could solve the problems like this in a faster way. So once again I am repeating, y is equal to m power n, y dash is equal to, copy down the same thing, then brackets open, power divided by base into differentiation of base plus differentiation of power into log of base. So this is the simple formula. See how fast you'll be able to solve using this formula. So this is a simple formula. Within 2 minutes ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಡ್ಬೋದು ನೀವು. ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಈ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಗೊತ್ತಿದ್ರೆ ಈ ತರ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಬಂದಾಗ try to learn it, and I hope the video was helpful. If you are a new spectator, do subscribe to the channel and make sure you hit the notification bell icon, and also do share with your friends. And new video will be coming soon. Till then, namaste from your brother. Bye bye.